Hello and welcome. If you're an international medical graduate gearing up for residency applications in the United States, this episode is especially for you. Today, we're diving into a powerful strategy to boost your chances, attending virtual open houses. You've already worked so hard on your exams, your application, your CV. But here's the big question. Are you doing everything you can to stand out? Residency programs receive thousands of applications every year. Many of them are screened by filters, exam scores, graduation year, visa status. Some applicants are eliminated before a single human even opens their file. But here's the game changer. Virtual open houses are your opportunity to rise above those filters. You're no longer just an ERAS number. You become a voice, a face, a story. These sessions give you real-time access to the faculty, coordinators, and residents who are actually part of the decision-making process. Let's talk about what they are. A virtual open house is like an online meet and greet. Think of it as an informal, low-pressure Zoom session where programs introduce themselves, answer your questions, and share what makes them special. It's like being invited into their living room before the formal interview dinner. You get to see what their culture is like. Ask yourself, are the residents happy? Do they support wellness? Is research encouraged? Are they IMG friendly? These are questions no website can fully answer, but a live session will. You might be wondering, do programs really care if you attend? Oh yes, they do. Many programs track attendance. Some even keep notes on students who show interest. One IMG shared that their interview invites doubled after they attended open houses and asked good questions. And when programs recognize your name in the applicant pool, it's no longer just numbers, it's familiarity, it's connection, it's memory. Now, let's touch on a few underrated benefits of virtual open houses that people often miss. First, you learn how to talk about programs. When you attend an open house, you learn the language and values of that program. Then, when you write your supplemental essays or respond in interviews, you can reflect those values back. That level of insight is powerful. Second, you start building a mental map. After attending a few sessions, you'll begin to compare cultures, benefits, and vibes. That helps you make better rank list decisions later on. Third, you gain confidence. Practice makes progress. Every session is a low-stakes chance to engage with residency staff and build comfort before the real interview. And fourth, you get insider info. Sometimes open houses reveal things that aren't listed anywhere, like upcoming changes, new rotations, or how they truly value IMG applicants. Now, let me give you some real-life examples. Programs like Englewood Hospital in New Jersey, University of Chicago, MUSC in South Carolina, Dartmouth Hitchcock, Tulane, SUNY Upstate, all of them hosted virtual open houses in August or September last year. Many featured open quanda, resident panels, and breakout rooms. And most likely, they'll do it again this year. Follow their social media, check their websites, and of course, follow our Instagram page, IMG Helping Hands, for regular updates. So how can you show up strong? First, register early. These sessions fill up fast. Mark your calendar. Second, be present. Turn your camera on, nod, smile, engage. Third, do your research. Ask a thoughtful question based on what you've learned. Fourth, take notes and follow up. If there's a contact form, a QR code, or an email, use it. Because every time you make contact, you become more than an applicant. You become a person they remember. And if you're able to attend in-person conferences or residency fairs, do it. Scan QR codes. Say hello. Join mailing lists. These small acts compound over time. Now I know the match can be overwhelming. The competition, the uncertainty, the silence after applying. But here's the truth. The people who go the extra mile, who make an impression, who show sincere interest, they stand out. and you can too. So here's your challenge. Attend at least one virtual open house this week. Show up, speak up, and follow up. That one interaction could lead to the opportunity you've been hoping for. And hey, if this episode helped you, send it to another IMG who needs a boost. We rise higher when we rise together. Before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer. This podcast is for educational and motivational purposes only. While we try to share helpful information, there may be inaccuracies or changes in program policies. Please consult. We use AI assistance to enhance the clarity and experience of this episode. And we are not affiliated with any of the programs or institutions mentioned. Thank you for listening. Stay motivated, stay visible, and remember, your dream residency might just be one connection away.